That is a present day situation regarding this dying art. I use the word dying art because traditionally in most of the temples and even in certain churches, this art is very popular and followed by as a masterpiece of our tradition of Goa, and this is our own Goan art. Our Prime Minister noted that aspect also. Recently I came to know after we planned all these things, only I noted this. Our Raj Bhavan has decided to promote this art. 4 days, a workshop inside Raj Bhavan. Raj Bhavan is arranging. About 25 participants will be there. We are going to promote them, even financially.